What a nice day down here to be swimming.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Wait, what's that noise? It's starting to flood in here.
It's cracking.
Oh no! It's heading toward the mine. It's heading towards the mine. Quickly, let's. It's going this way. Follow me.
Where are you?
I'm going into here. Trust me. We need to find somewhere to bang open that door. This gold. Throw it at the.
It
throw
can
it at
pick lock.
that door.
I got in.
Open the door. Let's let all the water in.
This is cool. What an awesome day to be swimming in here.
Whoa. Dude,
Think
a
like
pirate ship sunk in here. This could make an awesome fort.
Hey, maybe we can have this place.
Not
Since
like-
no one knows where it is now. It's not like there's ghosts of pirates.
Ooh.
What was that?